FE Series Electrical IMM. Energy saving, efficient, intelligent connection, compatible, precise and stable. National patent of invention, central clamping toggle system, clamping force 100% utilized. Floating tie bar, no connections between tie bar and moving platen. Free of lubrication, keeps the mold area clean. No bushing needed for tie bar, resulted in zero friction and guaranteed constant precision. Unique design, electrical driven cylinder, encapsulated ball screw, prolonged lifespan and contamination free. Patented injection unit structure, clamping pattern with linear guide, less friction, high precision. German type plasticizing system, 20% efficiency increased over domestic level. Standard configuration with KEBA controller. European high-end controller with self-developed software. Features high accuracy and intelligence. Reserved expandable interface for Industry 4.0. Independent hydraulic pump. BOLE Electrical IMM. Affordable, high-end. BOLE Machinery, the advancer of plastic molding technology.